Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
So today we are going to be making some
slime, and you could eat it.
Yep. What's it called?
I don't know.
Candygloop.
Candygloop.
Yep. Make slimy sweets you can eat. And do you know what flavor it is?
Blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry.
It's strawberry and raspberry.
Well, they have other flavors, but we chose blue raspberry. We thought that we would play Candyland while we wait for our Candygloop. So, let's start with the Candygloop. Get it done so it can sit off to the side. So why don't you open it, Silas? I opened the other side.
Yeah, so it goes, yeah, that side.
Okay, pull that open. Hi, Butters.
Hers wasn't knocked out.
Oh, she won't. Okay, what you got in there? Pull it out. Okay, there's the instructions on those come in. I will help you read those. What is that? A bowl and a spoon? Okay. Oh, and there is the mixture. Let's see that. So, this is gonna be blue raspberry in there.
It's like a basketball.
So it just says pour half of the contents of the Candygloop mix into the mixing bowl. Use the measuring spoon provided to add 4 spoonfuls of room temperature water to the mixing bowl. Stir the mixture until all the powder is dissolved and well incorporated. You're almost there. Wait for the Candygloop to set for 10 minutes. Now dig in, mix, stretch, and play with your hands. Eat and enjoy. Repeat with the second half of the Candygloop mix to create another batch.
And guys, what's this?
And the tip is too, if the edible Candygloop is not easy to stretch after letting it sit for 10 minutes, add 1 more spoonful of water and work the mixture until it is at the consistency you want. And it's best to eat it the day of, or you can refrigerate it, it says, in a container for up to 48 hours. Okay, so let's hurry and do that. Okay, so we need to pour in half. I will pour that in and then I will let you do the spoonfuls. I have some room temperature water right here. Okay, and that's it, Candygloop. Ooh. Okay, so I'll dump in half. You take that. Yep, it says blue raspberry mix.
I have no idea how I know that.
Hopefully we're more successful. Remember last time we made slime? That wasn't very successful for Valentine's Day, huh? It did actually turn into putty later, but alright, that seems about half. Okay, get 4 scoops of that water. Here, let me turn it this way so you got it. Oh, perfect. That works great. Ooh. Okay, 3 more. It's blue raspberry. Okay, 2 more. You're getting pretty small scoops. Let me help you out there. Let's do 1 extra one. Okay. You want to stir it?
Yeah.
Stir slow so it doesn't flip all that out.
Ooh, this is cool. Wait, it looks like blueberry.
Blue raspberry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Smell good?
Muffin.
It smells like muffin mix? Mmm. Yeah. Mmm.
Ew,
Ooh.
you're snowy.
I am.
Here, I'll show you.
Ooh, does it taste good?
You should try it.
You have some on your face. Oh, you showed me how to not spill. Shake that off, boy. All right. Oh my goodness.
That bad mess.
Gosh, I wonder if I did more than half. Look how good we are at making slime, guys. I've never made slime, I'm pretty sure, my entire life. So when I had a child, I was like, yeah, we gotta make some slime. And I'm not very good at it.
Maybe we could put water in to make it good.
I already did like extra scoops too, and yeah, it's so dry. Sorry guys, we might fail at this, but I'm gonna try it. Let's hope. Okay, just make it a little runnier.
Watch this, everybody. Yummy. Ew. How did we even make that big?
Okay, so now
Green,
we gotta let it sit for 10 minutes. We'll see how it looks.
blue,
If we don't like it, we'll add more water.
blue,
Okay.
and yellow makes sweet.
Okay, guys, let's play some Candyland.
Yeah.
Here we are, ready to play some Candyland.
Yeah.
Alright. We set up the board. Silas, what color did you pick to be?
Blue.
Okay. And what color did we pick, Mommy?
Greeny.
Green. Whose favorite color is green?
Daddy, mine. No, mine. I'm going. Wait, why don't we do rock, paper, scissors?
Okay, that's a good idea. You ready?
Do rock, paper. I'm doing it by me.
That's cheating. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh,
One
rock,
more?
paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right, Silas gets to go first. He won 2 out of 3. Okay, draw a card.
Green.
Here, so that everyone can see him.
Green.
Ooh, he got to go to green. Okay, my turn. Purple.
Okay, you get the one.
Good job, thank
And
you.
you have on blue.
Go up there, yeah.
To there.
Mm-hmm. Your turn.
Why don't we do rock, paper, scissors?
No, it's your turn. We just go back and forth now, crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, 2 yellows. 1, 2. All right, my turn. 1 yellow. Jeez, I'm going slow. All right, grab another one. What color is it? Show everybody. Green. 1 green. Oh, you get to follow the little candy dot trail. So you land there, and you follow the little trail to here. Good job.
Yay! Yay!
2 oranges for me.
Okay, I'll move.
Okay. 1, 2. Thank you.
I'm catching up.
You mean I'm catching up? You're ahead.
Oh no, not that one.
Yeah, that one.
Wet, 2 wets.
2 reds.
1.
2. Good job.
You're never gonna beat me.
1 purple.
Okay, I'll get.
Thank you.
You're not.
Your turn.
Moving me. Orange.
1 orange.
So I go right here.
Wow, all the way up there, huh?
And
Jumped over the peak.
I just gotta go this way, this way, this way, this way, and all the way to the end.
1 yellow. Okay. Whoever wins gets to eat the slimy Candygloop. What'd you get?
Blue.
2 blues?
So I get to go
1, 2. Jeez, dude, you were way far ahead of me. I don't even know who shuffled these cards. 2 purple.
So you get to go.
Well, I was already at that one, so 1. Oh my gosh, I land on lose a turn. You guys have ever seen it? It's the licorice lagoon. It's this bad guy here. He makes you lose a turn when you land on him. I just lost my turn, so Silas gets to go twice in a row.
Yay!
All right, yeah, pick a card. I'm making a mess. Okay, 2 yellows. No, you're here. That's okay. You don't have to go to that one. You're supposed to go to this one. So Silas doesn't lose his turn. He would have if he got 1 yellow, but he got 2. So now you get to go again because I lost my turn. Yep, there you go. What'd you get? 2 oranges.
So I get to go.
1, 2. He's almost at the end, guys. Okay, grab one for me. I'm not even halfway.
1
Yellow. 1 spot ahead. I haven't even made it past Nana Nut's house. I'm still at Nana Nut's house, and Silas has already went through Lollipop Palace. He went through, what is this, Peppermint Forest. He's been through Nana Nut's house, and he's almost to Frosted Palace. And then King Candy's castle. All right, your turn.
Grab!
1 green. Oh, right here. Trickster. Yeah, you only move 1 sometimes. 2 yellow. 1, 2.
No, you're catching.
All right, your turn. Not really. I'm still gonna take a while.
Ice cream.
Oh, you just have to go back a couple spaces. That's okay. Lucky boy.
Yeah.
1 blue.
You get the white.
1 spot. Your turn. 2 purples. Oh my gosh, she is now at Frosted Palace. 2 blues for me. 1, 2. Oh, I barely missed that. Skip a turn. Okay, your turn. 1 orange. Oh my goodness. 1 more turn basically, and Silas is there. 1 red for me. Okay, your turn. I think that one's right there. 1 yellow. Silas 1. He made it to King Candy's castle.
No, I gotta go.
No, what's there? That's at one of the spots.
Yeah!
You already won. Let's check on that slime real quick, Silas. Let's see if it's the consistency we like. Oh, it's so thick. You want to try it?
At the spoon.
It says you can play with it. You want to try?
Yeah, sure. Wow, wow. No. Get the spoon. Yay.
Tell everyone what it tastes like.
Raspberry.
Does it taste like blue raspberry? Do you like the taste?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it something you'd want to eat every day and play with? Do you not like playing with it? Is it too sticky? You just want to eat it?
I say yay or nay.
Yay or nay? Okay. Yay or nay? Yay! Alright, well, I think this one was a success, even though it doesn't look very fun to play with. I don't want
Can we
sticky
keep
hands.
putting candy in? Can we keep putting candy in? Hey,
Yeah,
Mom,
we can.
Don't eat mine.
We should let Sailor try it. Ooh.
Don't.
We gotta play with it. It said play with it. It sticks to your hands a lot, though, so maybe we need more water? I don't know. I don't want to make it more runny. But we had fun making this. I know Silas is going to love eating it. I'm not too into eating things like this, but I'm not a big blue raspberry fan anymore. I'm like a chocolate fan now that I'm a grown-up.
Put it in.
Okay.
I dare you to. Why
There you
now?
go. Okay.
I eat
So,
mine.
let's tell everybody, thanks for watching us play Candyland and making our Candygloop. Today was our candy day. Want to tell everyone thanks so much for watching?
We're watching. Yeah,
What are they watching?
We're watching it.
Yep. Like, thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel.
And bye.
And bye-bye.